Right, so we're in our terminal logged into our folder with our app. We're going into our database through the MySQL. And now we need to create our database. So we're going to use the source function. So now we need to use our database. Database changed, so now we can quit MySQL. Now we need to seed our database. For that, we're going to need to run npm run seed. So everything was seeded. Now we need to start our local server. That we can do that through the npm start. Alright, so now our app is listening on port 3001. We can go into the Insomnia. Uh, and so as you see in here, we logged. We have our categories, we have our products, we have our tag requests. So let's go into the first one. We're gonna go into localhost API categories to see all categories. We're sending and we're receiving all the categories that have been seeded. Now let's go to the categories by ID. Let's see, we're looking for the first one. We're sending, we're receiving the first one. Create a new category. We're typing in the name. We're typing in our input. Sending the request. It's saying saved to the ID number 6. So now if we're gonna go and check in ID 6, we should receive your category name. Now let's go and update it. So we need to update. Let's update the ID number 6. So the name should be changed to new category, new name for a category, or let's change it to a newest. Let's send. Let's check, and it changed it. So now let's check the delete. Our index, now our ID is 6. Now we deleted it. Let's check if it still exists, and it does not. So now for our products, let's get all products. If we send our products, we're receiving everything that's in there. Now if we're searching for the product by ID, let's search for number 2, let's say. Sending, we're receiving ID number 2 and everything linked to it. Then let's create a new. So we have everything in there. Let's send. We receive it by the ID number 6 with all the values. Let's check it. By ID it was 6. And now we received it. We received everything with the tag names included into it. Let's update it. Let's change the product name on number 6. Send it. And now let's product 6. It was changed. Let's delete it. It was number 6. Let's send. Product ID 6. Now it does not exist anymore. Let's go to tags. Let's see all tags. We received everything. Let's search by ID. Let's search ID number 2. We received everything in ID number 2. Let's create a new tag. We created by ID number 9. Let's check it. ID number 9, send, received. Now let's update it. Number 9 should have the new tag name updated. We're sending. Search by ID 9. It was rocket before. Now it's new tag name updated. Now let's delete it. It was number, what was the number on it? It was number 9. So let's delete number 9, send. Let's target it by ID, and now we have it not found. Thank you.